Hello friends, this video on number system part 7 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Okay. Let's discuss pi. Pi is a real number, in fact a irrational number. It is a special number. Pi has a value, we have shown you 3.141592653 3, 5, let's continues, 8, 9, this continues. This is the value of pi. And please note, I explained pi is not equal to 2 by 7. Pi is not equal to 3.14 because these are all rational numbers and pi is irrational number. Just for our convenience, we assume pi is 22 by 7. Pi is nothing but circumference by diameter of a circle, right? Because circumference is 2 pi r, that is pi into 2r, that is pi into diameter. So this is the value of pi. And if you see the history of this pi, Archimedes, he was the first to compute decimal expansion of pi. How will you compute? You take any circle, measure the diameter, measure the circumference, divide these numbers, and you'll get the value of pi. Right? You measure this length, divide, and you'll get pi. So Archimedes was the first one to compute the decimal expansion of pi. And actually, if you see that in the current world, with the advancement in computer technologies, the value of pi has been computed till almost 1 trillion. 1 trillion, not even billion, 1 trillion decimal place. So with the advancement in technologies, with hi-fi processors, the value of pi has been computed till 1 trillion decimal places using high-speed computers. Okay, but it is found that even with 1 trillion number, it is still a repeating, non-terminating number, and that is why it is irrational number. Okay, non-repeating, non-terminating. It is non-repeating and non-terminating. Let's take some numerical. Find the irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So let's see the value of 1 by 7. In fact, 1 by 7 we have seen. We have done one numerical for 1 by 7. You can actually go back to the numerical and see the value of this. This is the value of 1 by 7. 0.142857. We have done this. And 2 by 7 also you can actually calculate. That will be 0.28571. Okay. That means even if you take a rational number of this, approximately, this will be approximately 1.43. And this will be approximately 0.286, let's suppose. Correct? I'm just taking approx value. So we have to find irrational number between these two numbers. And we have seen that between two rational numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. Same thing. Between two rational numbers also, there are infinite number of irrational numbers. For example, one number can be 0.15, and then you can have any list. Right? If you see, there is no repeating. Or another number can be 0.16, some number. right? Any sequence, it is not repeating. Or you can have 0.17 and some number. These will all be irrational numbers. So you can have an infinite number of irrational number between these 2 points, but for exam perspective, you can just write 2 irrational numbers. Okay, this can be. So we have to write in the decimal form. 36 by 100, 1 by 11 and 4 1 by 8. See, 36 by 100 I can easily write as 0.36. And 0.36 if you see is a terminating and non-repeating. That means it is a rational number and thus it is a rational number. We have known that. Okay. The next is 1 by 11. So let's do that. Point. And then you get one more 0. So you get 100. And you get 9. 99. And then again, yeah. Then again a 0. And then again a 9. 99. Again 1. Again you have to put a 0 here. So to get 100. Okay. So it is something like this. It is a non-terminating but is a repeating. You see 0.09 is repeating. So it is non-terminating and repeating decimal. You can write as 0.09 with a bar. Okay. The next is 4 1 by 8. 4, you can just keep it as it is. 1 by 8, or what you can do is you can write 4 1 by 8 as 8 into 4 32 plus 1 33 by 8. So let's divide. 4 32 1. I can't divide, put a dot, you get a 0 here. 8 into 1 8. 20. 8 into 2 is 16. 40. 8 into 5 is 40. And 40 cancel. So you get 4.125. This is 4.125 and this is 0.09 bar. So 4.125 you see is again a terminating and non-repeating, and that is a decimal expression. Let's write for a few more. I'll not solve these for you, I'll give it as exercise. You can easily do that. These are all, if you see, rational numbers. So either you will get repeating, non-terminating, or you will get terminating decimals. Okay. You know that 1 by 7 is 0.142857. In fact, we have done this 1 by 7 exercise. It's a non-terminating repeating. You see, there's a repeat. This is repeating. So we have to predict the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without doing a long division. See, one way to do is you actually expand this 2 by 7. Right? So if we have 2 by 7, you expand this. This is do the point, you get 2. And you get 7 into 2 14, 6, 7 into 8 is 56, then we have 40, 7 into 5 is 35, then 50, and then 7 into 7 is 49. and then 10. And 7 into 1 is 7. 30. 7 into 4 is 28. And 20. And then again 7 into 2 is 14, 6. Again the same chain starts, right? So one way is to do this way. But the question has asked not to use this. So what we can do is we can actually directly multiply this by 2. So if 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, in fact 2 by 7 will be nothing but 2 into 0.142857. You can check that actually. Let's multiply. 7 into 2 is 14, carry 1. 5 into 2 is 10, carry 1 is 11, carry 1. 8 into 2 is 16, carry 1, 17, and then carry 1. 2 into 2 is 4, plus the carried over 1 is 5. 4 into 2 is 8, 2 into 1 is 2, and there's a dot. This is what you will get. Let me see the calculation. 7 into 2 is 14, carry 1. 5 into 2, 10, plus carried 1 is 11, carry 1. 8 into 2 is 16, and plus carried 1, 17, so it has to be 7. 17, carried 1. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 carried 5, there is no carry. 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 1 is 2. Yeah, this is what you will get. And if you see here, this is exactly same as this, right? This is one advantage of writing in this form with the bar. Similarly, 3 by 7 I can write as something well 3 into 0.142857 with a bar. You actually solve it, you get 0.42857. 3 into 7 is 21, carry 2. 5 into 3 is 15, plus carry 2 is 17, carry 1. 8 into 3 24, plus 1 carry 25, 5 carry 2, 3 into 2 is 6, plus carry 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, there is no carry, and then 3 into 4 12, 1 carry, and then 3 into 1 3, plus 1 carried is 4. So this is what you get. Similarly, I can write 4 by 7 as nothing but 4 into 0.142857 with a bar. So you solve this, you can easily get 0.571428. Similarly, 5 by 7 will be 5 into this value, because this value is 1 by 7. You solve this, you get 0.71428. Okay. Similarly, 6 by 7, you can say that is nothing but you solve it, you get this value. It's pretty easy. Just you have to multiply this number. But before multiplying, you have to understand that you can actually multiply, right? Because in this case, you multiply both the sides with 2 and you get the answer. Okay. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.